welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? Performance. Every one of the three of these electric autos utilize a comparative powertrain comprising of two electric engines, one in advance and one in the back to control each of the four wheels. The Jaguar I-Pace's 394 pole and 512 pound-feet of torque is a reasonable piece more than the 328 strength and 387 pound-feet consolidated power from the Teslas, as per Motor Trend. Be that as it may, in the dash to 60 miles per hour, the Jaguar doesn't generally pick up leeway. It's 0.4 seconds snappier than the Model X, however 0.3 seconds behind the Model S. This is notwithstanding the Jaguar weighing about the same as the Model S, and a couple of hundred pounds lighter than the Model X. At 90 kilowatt-hours, the Jaguar likewise has a bigger battery limit than the Tesla 75D models, yet goes again mid-pack between Musk's autos. At 240 miles, it's only 3 miles in front of the Model X, and 19 miles behind the Model S. The I-Pace and Model X additionally are about as ravenous for power as each other, both with a vitality utilization gauge of 36 kWh/100 miles, while the Model S is the most thrifty at 33. Every one of the three vehicles can utilize DC quick chargers, with Jaguar guaranteeing a 80% charge in 40 minutes at a 100 kW charger. In any case, just the Teslas approach the supercharger system, and they accompany attributes for nothing energizing to 400 kWh at those stations. Pricing. Puma's Pro-Relays cost. It's about $9,000 less expensive than the base Model X, and it's about $4,000 less expensive than the Model S that is before motivators. However, the distinction should in any case be about the same. In any event, they'll be about the same for the present. The government-imposed credit of $7,500 for EVs is just accessible until the point when an automaker offers 200,000 electric autos. When it achieves that point, the duty credit will drop into equal parts, with it later vanishing through and through, and Tesla could hit the check this year. Once that happens, the I-Pace will have a greater value advantage.